So the place where I'm staying at flooded. Take a look. We have to use these dustbins. When it hits the ground, it's wet. There's my aunt. It works. It works. It works for you. And we have to do this. Oh no, it's video. It's video.
No.
I'm taking video right now.
Okay.
So you have
go. Okay. And then throw it outside. That's
And then I can
okay?
throw it outside. So here's the maid. Here's the room. Here's the maid. Washing. Say hi. Say hi. Where's the coat? And here's the room. Here's the coat. Say hi. It's flooded.
You said it was flooded. It rained a lot.
Yes.
And we're all... Ryan finds it exciting. Come on, do your job. Come on.
This is what I had.
Let's like the put it.
So,
Okay, there.
yes. There's nothing left.
Alright, good.
So we have to do that.
Okay.
Dump it.
You have the same experience like Rex.
So here we dump it. I have to dump this. Look at me. My feet. That's my Aphrodite's shrine. And here is where we dump it. Outside, here's dump it. Here's the dog. So yeah. It's raining outside. Here. You kind of hear it. The kind of the yard before it goes out. Here's the dog. Uh-oh. Here comes the dog. Hey, what are you doing?